Hello everyone, here is Hel from Conscious Rebhell, and today I'm going to show you how to make a very delicious and simple vegan mayo. For this recipe you will need an immersion blender. If you don't have an immersion blender, you can try even with a normal blender or with an electric whisk, but the best result I got until now was with an immersion blender. First of all, put your milk inside a tall glass jar or a tall container in any case, and start to add the two oil step by step. Keep on blending and don't stop. Okay, now that the soy milk and the oil is well mixed, we can add all the rest. So the lemon juice, the apple cider vinegar, just a bit of turmeric, just a pinch, and lastly salt. I put just a pinch of salt. Okay, this is the final result. It's very creamy and it tastes of real mayo actually. You can make it whatever you want inside. I love garlic mayo, so I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder inside, and I'll just mix again with my immersion blender. Once ready, transfer it to a sealed jar, and this is the kind of consistency that you will get. This really looks and feels and tastes like real mayo. Look at that. Don't look at the mess. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, comment down below. Let me know if you have any other idea or any other things that you would like to see on this channel. I have an Instagram profile too and Facebook one too. So if you'd like to follow me over there on Instagram, I give a little bit more hints about my life so you can see a bit more. Please subscribe even to Tebe Studio UK channel that I will leave the link down below. He's my husband and he's the one that is filming every single time.
Thank you very much, honey.
And I will see you in the next video. Bye.